everyone and welcome back to my channel Preeti Speaks. Today we are going to see Water Security Class 10 exercise of Unit 2 Lesson 2. So let us start. Unit 2 Chapter 2 Development of Watershed Area. Question 1. Why is it necessary to implement Watershed Development Program? Watershed development aims to balance the conservation, regeneration and use by humans of land and water resources within a watershed. Common benefits from successful watershed development projects include improved agricultural yields and increased access to drinking water. Question number 2. Write information about the activities implemented for watershed development in your area. First, preparation of base maps for carrying out surveys, accessing rainfall characteristics, classification of lands for different uses according to capability classification for agriculture, forestry, horticulture, etc. Preparation for inventory of existing land uses and farm sizes. Next is assigning of priorities for implementation of the project. And the last is accessing social costs and benefits. Question 3. What remedial methods are used in development of watershed area? Development of catchment area, reconstructing wells, deepening and widening of wells, diverting water by constructing dams, etc. The second point is carry out groundwater recharge programs. Third is care should be taken that good quality water is not contaminated and that it can be used safely. Fourth, hazardous wastewater from factories should be disposed of properly. The fourth question is, what can be done to recharge groundwater in urban areas? Explain with an example. In urban and rural areas, the groundwater level is decreasing rapidly due to excessive use of groundwater by pumping large amount of groundwater through bore wells for agriculture as well as factories and industries. Groundwater recharge can be achieved through multiple artificial recharge structures such as recharge wells, direct bore well recharge, check dams, etc. The fifth question is, what is farm pond? How is it constructed? Excess running water from the dams is pumped out of the fields by trenches. Instead of removing such excess water from the field, the farmer should dig and store the farm ponds in the field. For this, a pit of about 30 meter long, 20 meter wide, 3 meter deep should be taken and the sides and bottom should be sealed with proper slope. And the sixth and last question of this lesson is, how can the technique of block water, seep water be made successful while cultivating land? Explain with an example. If we use the technique of block water, seep water, the rainwater will not flow away but seep in the soil, and crops will also get benefited from that. Sowing in stripes improves crop growth by soaking the water in the soil. When sowing by intercropping method, after sowing 2 rows of groundnut, 1 row of tur or sunflower should be sown. Such sowing method also increases the yield of crops. So friends, this was the exercise of Unit 2, Chapter 2. I hope it will be useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Also comment. Thank you.